The second story that I want to talk to you about, Mag was talking about building system. I want you to look at this picture. This picture is nothing but all of us use these bouquets. And what is this bouquet is all about? If you just sell those independent flowers separately, you're going to charge the X amount of money. But if you make it as a bouquet, you're going to make a whole lot of difference. And it's going to be, you can charge a little more and you can have a wonderful product. Now, running a restaurant business is not an easy thing. You need to have a consistency in terms of taste, time and over again. Now the question here is, there's a small outlet which is from a place called E Road. It's a very small place. And this restaurant called Junior Kupana. This restaurant today has got about 13 different outlets. And what do? Can you believe a restaurant running without a chef? You cannot. You need to have multiple chefs. You need to have a North Indian chef. You need to have a South Indian chef. You need to have a Chinese or continental and so on and so forth. This particular restaurant works differently. The recipe, the entire recipe of this entire 12 different outlets in south of India, it all goes from one place called E Road. It's all packed up. It's all mixed up. It's typically like KFC and those kind of multinational organization. They do the same format. They have to buy the recipe month after month. That's one way. How can they put in systems that they make sure that they don't depend on any single person any given day? The second thing that they do in this particular restaurant is that you need to have the fast time in terms of getting your products delivered to the customer. The first and foremost thing that they do is they have a very limited menu. A la carte is not at all there. And they make sure that they serve you faster. Another interesting thing about this restaurant is they don't believe in selling the value-added product like ice creams or cool drinks or whatever it is. If you want to buy or eat, drink those kind of stuff, all you need to go is go out to the restaurant. There's a small counter. You pay for it and you have it and keep going. They're absolutely focused on one particular stuff of giving the customer valuable thing. Another interesting thing about most of the restaurants, if you see, the employees are given a separate place where they go eat the separate food. But here, they all sit exactly at around 3:30. The restaurant is closed in the afternoon, and similarly in the dinner as well. And all of them sit in the same table where you and I as a customer sit and eat. Amazing thing. That's a very interesting thing of putting a small system and how can you multiply it every single process of taking this restaurant from 12, another 50 in the next 2 years down the line.